Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve the equation. Solution: let b q. So we're now going to have q square minus 26 q plus 25 equals to 0. Expanding it, we're going to have q square minus 20 minus q minus 25q plus 25 equals to 0. Group them. What's common? Q minus 1 minus 25 q minus 1 close bracket equals to 0. So this are the same. We now have q minus 25 equals to 0, or q minus 1 equals to 0. Q is equals to 25, or q is equals to 1. Q is what? 5 raised to power x equals to 5 square, or 5 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power 0. X is equals to 2, or x is equals to 0. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Bye.